Hey there everyone, welcome back. In this quick video, I will show you how to add transitions on CapCut PC. So let's get started. First of all, let me just show you real quick how to add the transition, then how to edit the transition as well. So first of all, you need to go to the transitions option right over here. Then from here, you will see different types of transition, like here, so many transition right over here. Then you can also select this option transition, just tap on that and you will see different types of transition options, like you can use the blur, you can use the glitch and many more. So I will go with the basic transitions, and from here, as you can see, we got some of the basic transition. So I will go with the basic transition, this one, from left to right, or also there are so many transition, like, so I will go with this one. So you need to first download the transition, so I will click on it and it will be downloaded. Then you need to hold, drag it on to your clip, between the clips. Okay, just hold and place it between the clips and then release it, and again hold and between the clips, then release it. So it will add the transitions. So let's just check if it's work or not. As you can see, we have successfully added the transitions. So you can also change the transition time or duration, like as you can see, this transition is 0.5 seconds long. You can increase the duration by dragging on and off. Then also you can adjust it. So that's how you can easily add the transition on CapCut PC. So if this video helps you out, please do like, share, and have a great day.